the Region 1 Banner.
Nakakaali nito sa server. Sa iyo din.
Duha-duha, partner, kaya itong isa ka ang atong banner dito sa atong banner booth.
Harap ko sa iyo, may nagkakaroon.
Of course, the conference banner entrance. First, we have the Region 1 Banner. Followed by the Region 2 Banner. Next, the Region 3 Banner. Next, the Region 4 A and B Banner. The Region 4 Banner. And a Region 5 Banner. Region 6 Banner. Next, the Region 7 Banner. The Region 8 Banner. Region 9 Banner. Region 10 Banner. Region 11 Banner. Wala ba daw palakpak dyan? Thank you. Region 12 Banner. Region 13 Banner. And of course, the Rebellion International Abroad Banner.
December 9, 1934 at Cadalan, Dinagat, Surigao del Norte. The youngest son of Jose Ecleo Agustiniana Ibera, the undefeated mayor of Dinagat, serving the municipality for 20 years from 1967 to 1987, the local hero of the province of Dinagat Islands, one of the co-founders of Romanian International Incorporated. Brothers and sisters, let us welcome Divine Master Ruben Higuera Ecleo Sr. Next to introduce was born on April 17, 1960 at Dinagat, Surigao del Norte, the first municipal mayor of San Jose Dinagat Province, the co-founder of Romanian International Incorporated, our birthday celebrant, brothers and sisters, let us welcome Grandmaster Ruben Buray Ecleo Jr. Next to introduce was born on July 8, 1985 at San Jose, Surigao del Norte, the most outstanding Dinagaton, the brain of sports in Dinagat Islands, the supreme president and founder of Romanian International Incorporated. Brothers and sisters, let us welcome Master Ruben Madron Ecleo I. He was born on February 13, 2009 at Surigao Medical Hospital, Surigao City, the real international coordinator and the co-founder of Romanian International Incorporated. Brothers and sisters, let us welcome young Master Ruben Libor Ecleo III. The King of the Air, Dr. Huge Tubon. The King of the Land, General Adriano de la Concepcion. And the King of the Seven Seas, Captain Campbell Jury. The Newell Spiritual Division Secretary, Engineer David Scholes. Dr. Gigi Dowden. Dr. Jeff Tomaschens. And Dr. Jess Richardson. Next to introduce was born on May 10, 1937 at Kitagong, Misamis Oriental, the author of the Republic Act 9355 creating Dinagat Islands into a province, the Romanian International Incorporated General Consultant and Advisor. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Mommy Glenda Buray Ecleo. Next, the RIWS and RSO Advisor, the First Lady of the organization, let us welcome Madam Maricel S. Custon. Let's proceed to the Master's Feeds. First, young Master Ruben L. Ecleo II, Madam Reuben B. Ecleo, Madam Reven Fletado, Sir Frank Lloyd Cardisil, Madam Hermoine Shana Vivienne Ecleo, Madam Reuben Regan Khalid Ecleo, Madam Renesme Hannah Ecleo, Madam Elizabeth Ecleo, Madam Francesca Ecleo, Madam Marcella Ecleo, Sir Yuichiro Rafael Ecleo, and Sir Ben Marzi Kenzo Ecleo. Bigyan po natin sila ng tatlong sunod-sunod na Rubenian Club. Go!
International Incorporated, I hereby declare the 7th Semi-Annual Conference of the Romanian International Incorporated with the theme sa paggiya sa atong labaw o gamhanang Dios, ang panagiusa sa pagpaambit sa paninawon o paghatag o pili sa responsibilidad, naghatag ug makahuluganong selebrasyon paingon sa bagong panahon. Welcome and mabuhay ang Romanian. Hatagan na itong kusog na tulog ang Romanian Club. Go! Isa pa! Isa pa yun! Thank you so much.